We've always been bullish on apps because they connect directly to the hardware of a device. And when you have mobile and there's limited resources, battery, connection, you need to take full advantage of the hardware, and only apps can provide that. So as the mobile space has developed, you've seen the most successful people in mobile, really win through apps, and I think that's going to continue. However, it does pose a lot of challenges because it's a brand new thing. It works differently than anything you've done in the past. So it's fundamentally different from the web, and people have to relearn how to acquire users, how to engage those users, how to monetize that user base. And that's where we step in, helping people understand who those users are, use that data to deliver more targeted and personalized experiences to create more value.
So you have an SDK that's in specific apps, and what does that provide in terms of data on the back end?
Sure, so the SDK will collect data to give publishers insight into how many users they have, what are they doing in the app, where are you losing those users, and what can you therefore do to better engage those users. For us, it's about automatically creating segments and audiences so that you can then take those and automatically, or instantly message those people and try to drive desired behaviors. For example, if you know that somebody has abandoned a shopping cart and you want to try to give them an offer, an incentive to come back in, you can do that almost instantaneously.
Cool, so tell us about the company, the scope of what you're doing, the employees, the range of your offering, audience, kind of what's going on.
Yeah, so we're about 200 people based here, headquartered here in Boston with offices in London and San Francisco. Our customers tend to be the largest companies in the world, particularly in media, retail, travel, health and fitness. In media, it's companies like ESPN, HBO, Hulu, Weather Channel, A&E, iHeartMedia, and many others. In retail, it's companies like Nordstrom, CVS Pharmacy, Rue-La-La, and others. The list goes on in travel, companies like Priceline, Avis, etc. So what those companies are looking for from us is a platform that gives them the ability to be best of breed at mobile. Because now being great at mobile is a competitive differentiator. And while people felt like a few years ago they were just experimenting with mobile, today their most valuable users, and in many cases the majority of their digital users, are engaging them through mobile devices, and they can't get it wrong.
So what's next for you guys in the next 12 months?
So for us, it's about continuing to take this data that we have and make it more actionable and easy to use for a marketer, for a product manager. The way that we're doing that is through machine learning and predictive analytics, so that we can automatically and easily create interesting segments that are actionable. For example, churn is the biggest single problem in mobile, and we can automatically identify here are your users who are very likely to churn, so that you can start taking a more active, proactive, aggressive approach at trying to maintain them. And we'll give you the data to show you what's working and what's not.